Hi, today we're doing a review on the Fuji Insta Mini 40 Polaroid camera I recently bought from Best Buy. We're going to talk about the ins and outs and picture quality. It came with a little wrist band so you don't drop it, lose it, or misplace it, because I know I will. It came with the receipt and simple instructions how to use it. The body we're going to start off with. The back, it comes with a little display to show how many numbers of films you have left after you use them. And on the front, you will see on the right hand side it has a on button. On the left hand side it has the button to take pictures. To turn it off you have to push the lens in, and it also comes with this little cute little mirror so you see how you look when you take a selfie. It also comes with a flash that always comes on no matter what. There's no way to turn it off. And the viewfinder on the back, I believe that's what it's called. I have an iPhone, so I forgot. On the back you open it and there's a little slot to put the cartridge. And also you just line the green stickers together so you know exactly how and what side to put it on. It's easy, just pop it in, pop it out. If I could do it, anyone could do it. The body of it kind of gives the old aesthetics, retro camera, vintage style. And that's what the rave is. And those cameras that look like that usually a little pricey and it's hard to find. Just so you know, the first film you take out of a new cartridge, that will come out. You're not wasting film. So I wanted to try it outside when I went to a picnic. And I wanted to see how it was quality-wise with the lighting and also the heat. Because I thought Polaroid would kind of be effective if it was too hot outside, but it came out crystal clear blue. I also wanted to compare iPhone quality to also the Polaroid. Of course, it's not going to be the same quality, but I just wanted to see just before, after. Because the point of a Polaroid is to give it a nice filter effect, not crisp and clean. So these are the flowers before, and these are flowers on the Polaroid camera. I like how the filter of it came out. Not filter, it's not a phone. But I like how the quality of it came out. I took some pictures of these statues, took some with the iPhone, then took some with the Polaroid. And it came out a little crooked. This is before iPhone, and this is how it looks on the Polaroid. But I actually like how it picks up lighting and also picks up shadow. Emphasis on the word shadow, not darkness, shadow. You'll know why later. And I wanted to do my favorite person in the world, which is my dog. And my mom says I never post him, so had to. This is with the iPhone, and this is with the Polaroid. I had to take two pictures because he was looking down, and then I found one he was looking up. He is white as a ghost, and you just see the nose, the mouth, and the eyes looking like a Muppet. These are some brownstones that I've always passed by, and it always looks nice. The ruby red, the dark purple, but it didn't pick up in the Polaroid camera. It just picked up on the iPhone. I think if I would have been closer and the lighting would have been better, because I think also the daylight wasn't really hitting it like that. Maybe it was the angle of the building. And I want to show you how it looks in the nighttime. This is the iPhone before, and this is sad to say, this is how it looks on the Polaroid. This is not a nighttime camera. It sucks, but it's, you get your bang for your buck, and you just know the flash quality is not that great. I took some pictures of my vinyls on my wall to see how it looks, and it's also my favorite thing in my room, so I was like, why not? And came out crystal clear with the white walls and white lighting. I would give it a 8.5, only because it's not USB, and it's also can't take pictures at night. But I would definitely buy it. I hope you like, subscribe, and come again.